SPV Operation Guide 4, Sewage Vacuum Truck, 8,000 liters, to Mozambique in December 2024. 1. Sewage section. Check two locking mechanisms on rear door to make sure securely closed. Connect the suction hose. Shut off discharge valve, open suction valve. Turn on vehicle, depress clutch pedal, press PTO button. Vacuum pump starts running, release clutch pedal slowly, pump starts to work. Open full liquid alarm. Turn four-way valve left to suction position. Watch water level tube, water goes up. The full liquid alarm rings when the tank is almost full. Switch four-way valve to middle position. Depress clutch pedal. Shut off PTO. Shut off liquid full alarm. Close suction valve. Take off hose. 2. Discharge. Discharge by gravity no using pump. Discharge with pump. Turn on vehicle, depress clutch pedal, press toe button. Open rear discharge valve, turn four-way valve to right discharge position. The sewage water will be discharged with pressure. After discharging most liquid waste, unlock rear door locks. Completely, the locking bolts must be taken down. Open rear door with hydraulic multi-way valve, then lift tank so that solid sewage could be dumped out. After finishing job, operate multi-way valve to put down tank and close rear door. Shut off PTO, securely lock the two locking mechanisms, then drive away.